Most homeowners don't think about their water heater until it fails, but understanding how long they can last can help you avoid being stuck without hot water. There are two main types of water heaters: traditional tank water heaters and tankless water heaters. A traditional tank water heater typically lasts about 10 years, whereas a tankless water heater can last closer to 20 years. The biggest reason is how they operate. Traditional tank water heaters constantly heat and store water, even when you're not using it. That constant heat creates wear over time. Tankless systems only heat water when you need it. Less strain, longer lifespan. They're also more energy efficient. So while tankless systems cost more upfront, they often last longer and operate more efficiently over time. At Affordable Comfort, we help homeowners choose the right system based on their home and long-term plans, because replacing a water heater isn't something you want to do twice.